A page can feel slow for a lot of different reasons. Sometimes it's DNS. Sometimes establishing the connection takes longer. Other times, the server itself is slow to respond. Instead of guessing, let's measure it. I am in the Geekflare playground with the load time endpoint open. Let's start with versal.com. I will send the request. The response breaks the request into each stage. You can see how long DNS lookup took, the connection time, TLS negotiation, server wait time, and the overall page load. For this request, the total came back at 71 milliseconds, and the server responded with HTTP 200. That gives you a much clearer picture than just knowing whether the page loaded. Now let's try another website. I will use cloudflare.com. Run the request again because the response format stays the same. Comparing different websites or even the same website over time is straightforward. If you are testing from another location, you can change the proxy country before sending the request. And if the URL redirects somewhere else first, just enable follow redirect so the final destination gets measured instead. Once you are satisfied with the result, open Getcode, pick your preferred programming language, and Geekflare generates the request for you. That's usually where I would copy the snippet and move it into my own project. From there, you can decide how you want to use it. Maybe it's part of a deployment pipeline, maybe it's running every hour inside a monitoring service, or maybe an AI agent checks page performance before opening an incident. If you're using MCP, the same endpoint is available there too. So AI clients like Claude Desktop, Cursor, and VS Code can retrieve these metrics directly. That's the load time API. Now try it with a few websites you work with every day.